These people have murdered my brother.
Rugano rwa Brian Njung'e Ndung'u uria wiriga gukorwo akwiriire ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiambu rutigite family arata amwe na Akenya na ciuria nyingi cia kiria kiahanikire niguo Njung'e akuire moko-ini ma borithi.
They beat him up badly, then hanging.
Mwari wa nyina na Njung'e agitariria uria mamukirire thimu na kumenyithio kunyitwo kwa Njung'e, undu uria watumire hau na hau mohe thabari nginagia ceceni ya borithi ya Kiambu.
He told him that he's a DCI and he was asking him information about our brother.
Makinya ceceni-ini ya borithi mihinga ya kuona Njung'e niyo yari miingi, undu uria watumire magie wagagu, ciuria nyingi kuri anja cia kiria giathiaga na mbere.
We were received by this caretaker. Almost immediately we asked to see my brother so that we can talk to him. The police officer told us to wait, that kijana mtamuona, that is what he was saying. If I can quote, he was saying, kijana hamwezi kosa kumuona, that is what he was saying. So we waited and waited and waited.
Thutha wa guterwo mahinda niguo metirwo makiheo horo gitau wa kiria kiari riko, ndeto iria cia matumire tunua ni kumaka amu makorire Njung'e acunjurite thero-ini ari mukuo.
Only to go in the room, find my son alone, hang kwa ukuta. It was very painful. It was like a dream.
He was the only person in that cell with 2 mattresses and a 20-liter jerrycan that had the top part cut off. So, and then he was on the wall, hanging. Had blood stains on his t-shirt and on his trouser. His nose also seemed like it had produced some blood, and also he was sweating.
Riu family matigitwo na ciuria nyingi cia kiria kiahanikire Njung'e, makiuga mari na nganja na riboti ya kuma kuri maabitha a borithi.
I'm very, very hurt. Yeah, because she's my younger boy. I had 3 children, now I have 2.
Amuruo rwa mwana no nyina agitariria nyina wa Njung'e ni oretio thuthuria utafanio niguo kumenya kiria giacungiriirie gikuo kia murio.
I'm really hurt very much. And I want justice for my son. It's not easy, and I'm very hurt. I'm very, very hurt. Yeah, because she's my younger boy. I had 3 children, now I have 2.
My brother was very quiet, very reserved. He enjoyed his company. That's all I can say.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa Getka Boniface, Kariuki.